All right, guys, so just wanted to jump on here and do a quick tutorial about how to create transparent files. If you've created a logo and you've got that annoying white background on the back of there, this is a super easy way using a mobile app that you can remove the background. So one of the ways that I've talked about in class previously is using Canva. So if you have a pro account, you can use one of Canva's pro effects, which is called background remover, and this can do it for you easily. But if the pro account is not in your budget, you can download Photoshop Mix and accomplish the same thing. So let's jump into it. So if I go up here to Photoshop Mix, I can get in there, and so if you have the project on file, you can just pull it from your images and pull it right in here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to Cutout. And what I like to do is I like to hit auto right away. Like I just hit it and it does a lot of the work for me with the smart tools. And then I go in and add. So you're gonna toggle between add and subtract. And you can just add back in the color that it removed that it wasn't supposed to. And then, so I add that back in there. Then from here, you can go down to subtract, and then I want to get that white space out that's in between the headphones, the rim for the headphones. So I want to go in now and subtract that white out of there. So I'm going in, I'm shading in with my finger, and you can see I can't get it perfectly. Oh, this was a step. I re-hit auto. So just a second, okay, now we're back. So going in here, and I've subtracted too much, so I'll toggle back to add back in that green color. And you want to always start from the middle and then work your way out. Because when you're in the middle with Photoshop, you're telling it, you're kind of guiding the color that you want. It's sensory, so it's picking up on that movement. So you always want to start in the middle and work your way out, not on the edges. So yeah, so here I have my transparent file. I can go ahead and save it and just make sure those layers are in there. Yep, and then it'll save as a new composition. And then from here, that little caret on the side, I can just hit that arrow on there, drop down, and I can go to image. I can save it directly to my camera roll if I want to. Or I can hit image. Hold on here. I can hit image and then the arrow, and then it'll allow me to either airdrop it to myself, or I can email it to myself. I can text it to myself. So that is pretty much that for the exercise. So again, Photoshop Mix, and just try it out. Give it a test and see how you like it. And yeah, so that's a quick and easy way to remove background, especially if you have a solid color.